Splicetronics, featuring the V-Cut SMT Splice Tool. Welcome to Precision. Position the 8mm carrier tape onto the guide pins, ensuring they align with the component pitch. Firmly press the cutting lever to make the V-cut. Remove the backing paper, keeping the adhesive side facing up. Place the cut carrier tape face up on the alignment jig pins and secure it with the clamp. Repeat the process for the running reel, or in this example, the flat punched carrier tape extender. Place it on the other side of the alignment jig, secure the clamp, and firmly fold down the splice lever. Lift the clamps and carefully remove the spliced carrier tape. Firmly rub both sides of the tape to ensure the adhesive fully bonds across the entire splice. Carefully remove the clear plastic cover. Splice is complete. Inspect both sides of the carrier tape. Perfectly seamless and production ready, with the tape flowing flawlessly from one reel to the next. The precise V-cut ensures smooth passage through feeders without misalignment. Matches carrier tape pockets exactly for flawless component placement. And reduces the risk of feeder jams, keeping your SMT line running at full efficiency. For more information, connect with us at splicetronics.com. Thank you.